profile. Or in the billing profile, navigate to billing profile. Okay. By default, Azure free account have a spending limit of select your subscription, click spending limit. There is spending limit option is there. Go to cost management again on the second tab here. Cost management, any billing, any subscription. You can cancel the subscription, I guess, after some time. But mm, okay. Okay. Can you click on this chart? Is this change pay as you go change option is there? Just
Change
click
scope.
on the right side, pay as you go, above. Just below overview, on the center.
Set up your account.
No. Go up. No. Just cost management pay as you go overview. There's a heading, right? Just
Cost
below
management.
there's a change. There's a change. Yeah, change. Click on it. What it will. Okay. Do not do this. Directory. So what does it mean? Pay as you go. Okay. So option is showing pay as you go. Okay. What does it means? So the purpose, like here, if it means pay as you go, it means you are billed only for the Azure resources and services you use, like virtual machines, database, and storage. Charges are calculated per hour per GB. Post free tier, if you initially sign up with the Azure free tier, your subscription automatically transition to pay as you go once the free tier ends or when you exhaust your free credit. So after your free credit expired, it will automatically transfer to pay as you go option. Okay. So uh, automatic charges, any active resource will generate charges. Be cautious if you're not actively using the services. So whenever you generate any services, you need to delete the resource, right? If any resources you created. So don't do that. Like, okay. Uh, so what do you need to do? Select active resources. You need to go Azure portal, resource group are there, and then you need to verify if any services is running. If any services is running, you need to stop or delete, right? And always monitor your billing. Can you go to cost management, billing, invoice of uses? Go to cost management, billing plus billing. There's a cost management plus billing section. Wait here. And invoice of uses, there's any invoice is of uses is there? Any invoice related? No,
Export
wait
to
here.
CSV.
No. Any invoice is there? Any invoice kind of thing? Invoice of uses or uses and charges. Any uses and charges can you see?
No,
Can you
no.
click? Can you click on your email ID? Billing scope your email ID.
Billing
Yeah,
scope. Yeah.
yeah. Click on that. Yeah, invoice or uses of charges. Got it. Just click on got it. Can you see last billed amount? Okay, total invoice is 0. Okay, that is good. Scroll down. Scroll down.
Very discovered on.
Current cost is 0. That is good. If you always like, okay, pay as you subscription is pay as you go, right? So I am worried why it is showing as pay as you go. Ideally, uh, free services, okay, pay as you go. But I don't want to like if you create any resource group, what will happen, right? So we need to think care of. Okay. So just a moment. Yeah, okay, can you go to enable alert, set up budget alert in cost management to notify you unexpected. There's some alert. Okay, see any alert option is there. So what will happen?
Alert.
Yeah, you can also put an alert like if your charges reach 1,000 rupees, you will get informed, right? So
Yeah,
that
yeah.
you will stop the services. So you can try that. Just see anything related to
View
alert.
cost by service.
Try that. You just search something you need to do, right? So I will share. So this is the setting that you can try with this. You're not able to see. Okay. Interesting. Ah, you got my point, what I'm trying to say? You understood?
Yeah, understood. If it's more than 1,000, you'll get alert.
Yeah. So what I'm looking for, go to cost management, billing, invoice, or uses and charges. Set up budget alert. Like so, budget alert. Just search budget alert. See any
Budgets.
budget alert. Budget alert is there. Any budget or alert. Inside cost management, you can see budget. Click budget. Any
You see
budget
cost
is
alerts. See, I got cost alerts.
cost alert. Wait. Where? Yes, yeah. Okay, good. Okay, no alert. Go to budget. Okay, wow, great. So now the cost alert, what it does, it will, you need to add an alert of
Okay.
500 rupees or 1000 rupees, so that by chance if you use the service, okay, and after 1 month maybe you forget to do, okay, you will get a notification on email that your charges is 1000 or 2000, so that you can stop the services, right?
Yes,
So
correct.
so cost alert and budget, I guess, monitoring, inside monitoring, okay, this is inside cost management. That is very good. Okay. Now go to create a new budget. Okay. Add. Go to add.
Okay, sir.
Yeah. Go to add. Okay. Name. Give your budget a meaningful name. Like give some name. Like 1000. Budget 1000. Something like that. Okay. Reset period. Choose the recurrence monthly, quarterly, monthly, or you want quarterly. Like put monthly. Okay. So if anything beyond 1000 per month, it will alert you. Okay. Sorry. Wait here. What is this creation date, expiry date? Okay. Reset period. Reset period. Okay. Amount. Set the budget. Okay. What is creation date, expiry date?
Creation today it is.
What is go to I mark? I mark after creation date. There is a I, right? After creation date, there is a I on the left. No. On the same name, like after name, reset period, there's a I button. I means information. Scroll down. See here. After reset period, there's a I. After creation date, label. Label, field name.
Where it is actually?
Inside budget detail, where you set it billing month, drop
See,
down.
that's billing month, creation date, budget
Yeah,
amount.
yeah. Wait, go up. Expiry date. Do you see creation date? Creation date,
Yeah,
are you able to see? There's a I.
yeah.
Yeah, read this. What is this? Read this.
Okay. The first day of the first budget evaluation period. Subsequent evaluation periods will begin on the same day of the month moving forward. Okay.
Read about expiration date. Same for expiration date.
The day the budget stops evaluating, alerting becomes expired.
Okay, so okay, no problem. You can give it for anything 2 years. Okay. Now budget amount. You can fix 1000 budget.
Okay.
So yeah, or you can put anything, right? 500. That is okay. So after 1000, after wait. Let me explain you. So what we understood that after 1000, it will give you the alert like your amount up till 1000 is okay, right? So after 1000, it will give you the alert, right?
Okay, sir.
So go to give your budget amount threshold. Okay, now click on the next. Okay. Alert condition. Put type, select that. Oh, what is this actual? So many options is there. Actual, just what does mean actual and forecast? Alert condition. Condition. Here is. We need to understand what is the two types.
Forecasted, actual and forecasted.
Actual forecast. So which one we need to select?
I'll click actual.
Hmm.
Oh no.
Yeah, actual means 1,000 and forecast means based on the position of spending considering the current usage rate. So example, okay, if you set a budget of 1,000 and configure another at 50%, okay. Say for example, your budget is 1,000 rupees, right?
Okay.
And you configure an alert at 50%, right? You will put 50%,
50%.
50, okay. So you're talking about the actual. So the alert will trigger when your actual spending reach 500 rupees. Your budget is 1,000 rupees, okay. Your budget is 1,000 rupees. Your alert percentage is 50%. Now, the moment your bill cross 500 rupees, it will alert you over the email. Got
Okay.
it?
Okay.
So
Okay.
this is the actual mean. Okay. The forecast means trigger the alert based on a projection of spending. For example, if you set a budget of 1,000 rupees, you configure an alert of 80%. If Azure exceed $80, right, or 80 or 800 before the end of the billing period, the alert triggers. So I guess actual is good, right?
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Now, what are other options? Wait here. Wait. Configure alert. You put there, save and apply. This option, save and apply. Scroll down. Nothing was. Scroll alert recipient. Wait. Click on that. No, no,
Manage
no,
action
no.
group.
Just click on that. See what is that. Click action group. Check. No. Click on manage action group. What is that? Just read that. And always read that I button. Okay. Now again you can try. Oh,
Okay. Cost alerts.
budget, I guess. You are inside budget now. Budget. Yeah, add name 1,000.
Okay.
Yeah, hello. Yeah. So when
Okay.
I when you speak and when I want to speak, you just understand that I was on mute and okay. So okay. Yeah. So go ahead. Uh, uh, this thing actual fair. Okay. See, when you put actual 50% amount 500 is automatically it is showing. Now add your email, whatever email. You can also add one email of me as well, that as a backup. Add one or two email that you are daily using. Okay. Okay, the budget was created, budget 1,000 was successfully created. Okay, so this is so now we go to uh, alert rule. Okay. I'm working hard here for you here. I was giving,
Thank
working
you.
hard for you here. I
Thank
need
you,
your
Sajid.
support.
Thank you, Sajid. Thank you, Sajid.
Alert, because I know you for a long time. I don't want to, you know, go away without learning. So enable alert. So how to create how to create alert rules? How to get alert rules? Get alert rules. Okay, now we need to get alert rules. Okay, so create alert rule. There's an option. Go to add new. Yeah. Yes, I'm just checking. Okay, alert type. Uh, uh, select scope is annually. Select when anomaly is detected. Okay, what is the difference between I think budget? I don't think alert is required. Okay. The difference between budget and alert because of the budget is purpose for your cost management,
Okay.
monitoring
I would go to
spending.
budget, sir.
Wait. I'm just explaining what is budget and alert. So budget is for cost management, like and monitoring spending against the financial limit. So
Okay, bro.
it is related to cost feature, okay, management use case, like to ensure that you don't exceed a specific spending limit. Okay, you putting the limit. Okay, say for example, if you put 1,000 for a subscription, right? So your alert will be 50%, 80%, and 100% of the budget. Alert purpose is for real-time monitoring of Azure resources based on
Okay.
metrics, logs, event. It's focus on performance, or you can say activity or resource health, right? Resource health. How is the resource health? Like whether it is good, whether it is down, server is down. Monitoring metrics like for CPU usage, memory utilization. Okay. So so the purpose of alert is to monitor the health and performance of resources, right? To
Yes.
monitor of health and performance of resources, or detect any usual activity, right? If something is some system try to, kind of raising some alarm, okay? So say for example, you put an alert like CPU usage go 80%, okay? So it is the difference between this for budget is cost management, alert is for resource health, right?
Yes, yes, correct. What you're telling correctly.
So trigger, okay, metrics. So I don't think alert is needed now. So you're okay. So now you can able to, you don't need alert tool if required. We can see it later. So, okay. So if your primary goal is to monitor your spending limit and ensure that you don't exceed a certain amount, the budget in Azure is sufficient, right? You don't need to set up an alert tools when you want real-time notification. So what I can do,
Yes.
I will create a notes of it, okay, for you.
Okay.
So
Thank you, Sajid. Thank you so
and
much.
I will share over the my one medium, medium, medium,
Media.
medium.
Yeah, yeah, like WhatsApp.
Yeah. So there are different blocks of medium. Okay. So you can.
Okay,
You
okay,
can
okay, 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 okay. Your this thing, your
mm,
content, like your
yeah.
blogs.
Blogs
Okay, okay.
content.
Yeah.
Yeah, yeah. So I will share. I will upload this detail to my blogs. Okay, and I will also upload this recording for your reference.
Thank you,
So
Rajat.
yeah, so this is very important, right? Even nobody tell you after, like this is very important, right? This is certain thing that we forget, right? We forget. Okay, so the first things you have done. Okay, this is a very big achievement. Like so can you open the PPT?